Hello guys, my name is Vikash from Vikash GARGG. So today in this video we are going to solve another LeetCode SQL question. So the question's category is hard. So the question is department top 3 salaries. So we have to find out the top 3 salaries from each department, and we have two tables. One is employee table and one is department table. So as you can see, the question number is 185. I'll definitely put this question down below so that you guys can also give it a try. So the question has two tables. One is employee table, which has ID as a primary key, and another one is department table where ID is also play as a primary key. Now, what is the expected output that this question is expecting from us? So we want department column, we want employee column, we want salary column. So we have to basically write a SQL query to find out the employee who are high earners in the each and specific particular department that we have to basically find out. So before jumping onto the solution, I would like to ask you guys to give it a try before proceeding the solution. So just pause this video here, give it a try from yourself. Start building the concept how you're basically thinking on the top of this particular problem. So now we are going to see how we are going to implement this. So I'm going to implement the solution using, you can say, window function, that is dense rank, and I'm using the CTE. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to going to join both the two tables, and I'm going to find out a dense rank over you can say my department ID, and I'm going to order it by my salary, and I'm going to select only those rows where my you can say rank will be less than or equal to 3. So without wasting time, let's see the solution. So I'll create one CTE with CTE as, and what I need to select basically, so I need department. So select d dot name as department, comma, and now I want employee name. So e dot name as employee. Now I want salary. So e dot salary as salary, and I'm going to find out the rank over the salary. So I'll use dense rank. So if you're not clear about this particular concept, this window function, you can definitely watch my video on the window function. So it will be in the link in the below, so where you can watch this particular video. So I'm going to find out the dense rank, and I'm going to find out dense rank over, and I'm going to partition it by and e dot department ID order by e dot salary, and I'm going to order it in a descending order as rank, or you can say RN, from employee inner join department D on e dot department ID equals to d dot ID, and I'm going to select star from CTE. So as you can see, what I've done, I have created one CTE called CTE, and I've selected d dot name as department that I want from in this particular column, and e dot name as employee name as I want employee, and e dot salary, it's salary, and also I am going to find out a dense rank. So this will give me a particular rank from each department. We are going to partition it by department ID, so that from each department we are going to get a particular rank from each salary, and we are going to in a final view we are going to select only the, as we want only the top 3 salaries, so all the salaries which are, you can say, less than or equal to 3. We are not going to select all the salaries that are greater than 3. So what I've done, I have done partition by e dot department ID, order by e dot salary, DSC, and I've created one given alias as RN from employee, and I'm doing inner join on department D. So let's run this to see what the result we are getting. So as you can see that we got some result. Now what we need to do, we need to basically select certain columns from this department. So we want department, we want employee, and we want salary. So we want only these three columns from the CTE, and I'm going to apply a where condition where my RN is less than or equal to 3. So let's run this particular thing. So as you can see that we got the expected output, and we are going to submit this solution also. So the solution is accepted. So this is you can say listed in a hard category, but if you know the concept, they have combined joins window function and some you can say where conditions, and we have basically aggregated all the concept and we have come up with a solution. So you have to build your thinking in this perspective, that what is the problem is saying and how we need to utilize a certain concept. So that's it for this video. If you want me to cover any specific topic related to you can say SQL or big data tools and technologies, please comment down below. I will try to cover that particular topic in upcoming videos. With that, take care. Bye bye. Please do like, comment and subscribe and motivate me to come with some kind of these kind of amazing video. So thank you so much. Bye bye.